are very, very proud and grateful that with the new round of $60 million in federal relief funds, we will be able to provide support to these landlords who have been struggling.
Right now at 5, relief is on the way for landlords and tenants left struggling to pay the bills because of the coronavirus pandemic. Today, Miami-Dade County Mayor Daniela Levine Cava detailed her plans to help.
CBS Source Peter Danch is in downtown Miami with the mayor's plan.
Miami-Dade Mayor Daniela Levine Cava says the residential eviction moratorium, which is mandated at the federal level, is still in place in order to protect vulnerable families and public health.
The federal eviction moratorium has saved lives and it has kept people safely in their homes, preventing the spread of this disease.
Amid so many concerns about fallout from the coronavirus pandemic, the Miami-Dade mayor says that moratorium on housing evictions is critical.
The local moratorium has helped ensure that Miami-Dade law enforcement is using its limited resources to focus on the things that are protecting our residents in the midst of this historic public health crisis.
Levine Cava also announced a substantial relief program for some beleaguered landlords.
We are very, very proud and grateful that with the new round of $60 million in federal relief funds, we will be able to provide support to these landlords who have been struggling. They have filed writs with the police department, and the tenants are facing eviction, but this relief program will provide back rent owed to these landlords with writs starting March of 2020.
And the landlords could receive up to $3,000 a month.
This is a very substantial support for those landlords who have to pay their bills.
Miami-Dade Commissioner Eileen Higgins says an emergency rental assistance program that she and Levine Cava originally sponsored has also paid off.
That program has already helped over 7,000 families pay their rent directly to the landlord. We are paying the landlords because the landlords are suffering as well. When they have a tenant that is unable to pay the rent because of the pandemic, they are also unable to pay their mortgages.
Levine Cava also announced that writs of possession for commercial evictions will be served beginning March 5th. Miami-Dade police said there are about 150 commercial writs ready to be served, and there will also be help for landlords impacted by squatters. In Miami, Peter Danch, CBS 4 News.